次她的歌声好不好？什么歌
？I've nothing.
I've nothing。
如果没有你们，没有今天站在这个台上的嘉威，谢谢你们！
掌声鼓励破纪录4度满分，连续4次满分的李佳薇带来这首歌曲。Share my love, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much, just so that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much farther. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I will hold it back again. This passion inside can run from myself. There's no